Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna tell you about Monopoly Go gift partner strategies. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page where the actual game is played. So there was a gift partners event which was running for 7 days. As you know, the grand prize for completing everything was 5,000 dice. So the first thing you're going to want to do is invite people to play with. And these can only be people that you are friends with. Now, what I would recommend is playing with people that you've played with in previous events that you've managed to complete. As you know, they're active, and of course it's going to help you win this event and to actually go ahead and collect the pieces to spin the wheel. There's a number of ways you can do this. So what you can do is just spin your dice and go around the board, and when you land on certain spaces, you are able to actually obtain pieces. You can also do this by completing your daily wins as well and completing milestones on the current in-game events. Also, if you come into the shop, there is actually a free gift. So if you look at the top and you just keep swiping along to the far right, there's a free gift which is available every 8 hours. Now, sometimes in these free gifts, you're going to get some of the pieces needed to complete your gift partners event as well. So all you want to do is keep going around the board and collecting all the parts. Make sure the people that you do team up with are, if possible, people that you've done similar events with that have managed to complete them, because, of course they can be reliable and they are going to be active in the event. That's all about Monopoly Go gift partner strategies. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.